This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, bigger selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below. Got a call for an oil burner that's not running. She's got no hot water or the thing's leaking on the floor or whatever. I was here in October, did a cleaning on it or something. Hey guys, there was some water on the floor here. I did change that relief valve. It was leaking. Purged the zones already. We gotta find out why the burner's not coming on. All ventil's running. On safety here. Find out why. Might be that transformer. See if we're getting a flow of oil. The system had antifreeze in it at one time. You can see it's all crusty. Well, that's probably why that failed. It was back here, and I changed that tank in October. No filter, no nozzle, good draft. No expansion tank. So she was complaining about leaking water and no hot water. So we're gonna find out why the burner's not running. We got oil. What the antifreeze does to the systems, I mean, not good. So it's been in the system for 14 years, I mean. That's the water tank. Let's see if we're getting a flow of oil. Look at this transformer's bad. The bad motor. Not spinning. Motor's humming, it's not spinning. A bad motor. Could be a bad controller. It's off on safety again. Oh yeah, it's hard to spin. It's working now that I spun it over. Look at the delayed oil valve. The motor was definitely stuck. The motor was definitely hard to turn. It'd be a bad pump.
on hard lockout, I'm going to have to hold it in for a bit. I'll probably just jump the motor out. I got the power off, I got the motor here. We'll jump it out and plug into my light. I think we got a bad pump there. I'll just plug in my lead over there and then the motor will run. We'll be able to check it. I think it's a bad pump. Must have ran out of oil or something. Let's see if we got any oil here. No, it sounds like there's oil in there. Well, we got oil here. Could be a bad pump. I know that filter's been changed. They should change the filter. Yeah, no filter, no nozzle. Let's see what this pump. Let's see what this looks like. Not good. Look at that. Yeehaw. Wow. We'll put a new filter on there and we'll try it again. Put a new pump strainer on there. See what we're getting for a flow. I didn't change this last time I was here. Let's see if we get a flow now. We'll have to check the nozzle too because Thing was pretty gnarly. I will probably check the filter at the tank. I did change that recently. Let's see if we get a flow now. We should get a good flow now. That's what it was. The filter was just dirty. That's all it was. I got the power off to this thing. The orange to the orange. We're going to check the nozzle because it's because the filter was so dirty. We'll check the nozzle. We'll check the nozzle. Yeah, nozzle's okay. See, it's clean. It's fine. It's on hard lockout. We're gonna have to hold this in for 3 minutes. We'll hold that in for 3 minutes till it blinks, and then it'll fire. Should fire up. Last time I was here, I did change the filter. I did put a new nozzle in it, and I was getting a good oil flow. So it might have been that there might have been some schmag in that line. Once I changed that filter, that was dirty, you know, pushes the slime into the pump filter. I had to change that. We'll check the draft, see what the draft's like. Alright guys, new pump filter, new relief valve, good oil flow, and good draft. I did check the draft over the fire. We're good there. Relief valve's been changed. You can see what the glycol does to the system. Just eats the rubbers. This expansion tank's been changed. See what the glycol does to the system? I mean, it just... Look what the glycol does to the system. I mean, it just eats the rubbers to hell. That's why I don't recommend putting glycol in systems unless you have to. Alright, that's it. I should have got you some footage on it changing this, but I didn't. That's where that water came from. Well, that's it. She's rocking and rolling, ready to go. This is going to be a call for heat right here. The high limit is going to be calling. Pre-ignition. 3 seconds. Delayed oil valve. 15 seconds with delay oil valve. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Houston, we have ignition.